Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Here's how to do it. Brush the cut surfaces of an avocado lightly but thoroughly with lime juice or vinegar. Wrap tightly in plastic wrap. Store in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Avocados, like apples, turn brown when exposed to air. It's actually a chemical reaction and not a sign of spoiled avocado. The brown part of an avocado might look unappetizing and can taste bitter, but it's still safe to eat. You'd have to leave an avocado out for a few days before it's spoiled from oxidation.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
3 to 4 days. Ever wondered, how long does guacamole last? The answer is, that's up to you. From the second you crack open that avocado, it's a race against the clock before it goes brown. But with the right prep, you can make guacamole last in the fridge for 3 to 4 days. Planning on storing guacamole in the freezer?
Take our lead.
You might wonder, can old guacamole make you sick? Yes, you could have guacamole food poisoning symptoms from bacteria like salmonella on the guacamole. Effects of eating bad guacamole that leads to food poisoning could include an upset stomach all the way to organ failure and death, depending on the case.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.